Generate rainbow table. Rainbow table used to crack offline hash value of the password and regenerate password from hash to text only format. So let's begin. Open rainbow table folder. There is a WinArtisan folder. Just open WinArtisan and click on Add Table. Here you can define hash value. You need to select NTLM. Minimum length use 3, maximum length use 3, so it takes few minutes or few seconds to create. Just give 60 in chain count, and number of table need only 1. I need only char set you can define. Here I need to select lower alpha because I used the password ABC, and just click on OK, and just click on OK. It will start to create password. Rainbow tables. Today this date is 23. You can see this is our file. It is generating lots of passwords. You can also use another utility. Just open CMD and you need to go into Rainbow Table Creation Tools. There is a folder Rainbow Crack. Just go into Rainbow Crack folder. There is a lots of files available. Now you need to use artisan command. Use space /? It will give you help information of the artisan command. Just use artisan gen define hash algorithm. Here you can see. So our hash algorithm is NTLM. Now, then you can define char set. Char set is lower alpha. Then define plain text length minimum, define 3, maximum length 3. Then define table index 0. Then chain length 3800. Then define chain number 3 and path index is 0. And they give enter. It will start to generate. It is generated. Now just use dir command. Here you can see NTLM underscore lower alpha has been generated. Now use rt sort command to sort rainbow table. Define rainbow table name and give enter. It is sorted. Now you just need to use RC crack dot rccrack underscore GUI dot exe. Just give enter. Now go to the file. Click on load NTLM hash from PW dump file and just define pwdum file information and just click on open. You can see it is not working because I am using 1.5 version. So we just need to open 1.6.1. Just go into Rainbow Crack 1.61.win64. Just click on dir. Now use dir. Now we need to run rccrack .gui.exe. Now go to the file, click on load NTLM as, and just select pwdum file and click on open. Here you can see hash value for the administrator user, guest user and test user. So thank you for watching this video.